We've had some amazing time trading WLFI, so we'll go ahead and check out what's going on right now within the chart, within the 30 minutes. I basically gave you this call right here. We had an amazing run up after my trade. We basically went up 14% after the call, and the question is what is going to happen now, because last trade was pretty easy. And after that we dumped. Have been dumping for a few days now, and the question is the dump over? Am I interested in bidding here? I'll tell you my opinion. I'm not. First of all, this video is no financial advice. I won't really waste your time. There's a few very important areas within the day before the US session starts, and they are right here. So the first important area is the area right here, and I think what I'll do is I'll have TP on pour, high, pour, low, open, close. So pour high, pour low. I can have these show volume profile. I don't think I need a volume profile because TPO is basically the volume profile. So remove the volume profile now. And basically we are at the point of control for the day. We retraced at the value area high. It seems like a poor high in terms of volume right here. And yesterday when we were at a similar point, we just retraced. We went to the value area low and retraced. That was created during the user session. So right now I think we'll have a small retracement, but I'm more interested in bidding to the downside right here. Because VWAP on daily chart is still curved downwards. If you're interested in just automating your trading, Deep Trade X have a lot of early bird benefits that I'll use in the link in the description down below. They're giving away $100,000 USDT prize pool for their grand launch. They have Deep Trade X AI, where you can basically set up prompts to create your own AI. So definitely do check them out. See you next video.